Hi guys, it's Legionero back with my weekly recap. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the page. I hope that you are enjoying the content because I really do love developing different tutorials, doing the sewing recap, and everything else that I do here on the channel. So let's get into what I made this week. This week, I didn't sew clothes again this week. I just couldn't find the time to get any clothes done because I was working on other things. So the first thing that I did is, I'm calling it a wallet, but I actually got the pattern from Sarah Lawson for SewSweetness.com. She did a YouTube tutorial on her channel and I believe she called it a coin purse. I can't be sure, but once I find it, I'll put it on the screen so you all will know, and I'll also link the pattern and the video in the description box below for you. But it's really simple and easy. The pattern is one piece and it has an opening in the middle for you to insert the zipper. Like I said, it's one piece and you put a zipper, and it could be a wallet, a coin purse. I was thinking about adding card slots to it. That way it would definitely be a wallet, but you can use this as card holder, coin purse, whatever you want to use it as. I thought it was neat because it was one piece and all you do is add the zipper and then you sew around. And I decided to add the rivets on each side just to give it a decorative look, and I may even add something to the zipper pull just to have that extra feature, but I will be making a lot more of these. It's actually very roomy, so it would be able to fit card slots if you decided to add card slots to it, or you could print the pattern a little bit bigger and maybe that will help as well if you wanted a bigger inside, just in case card slots don't fit. But anyway, I thought this was a very quick and easy project, and it will make great gifts. Alright, the next thing that I made, you all may have seen this. It was a bucket bag. I did a bucket bag tutorial here on the channel. Really quick and easy bag. I did the first one, which I made in the video, in denim, and I used an African print cotton cloth as my lining, as well as for the drawstring and the adjustable strap. So that was neat. It's a really quick and easy project, so quick that I've made more. But this is the denim one, and as you can see, it's nice and roomy. And I may do another video for the channel showing you how to add pockets, how to actually put the grommets in, because I didn't do all of that in the video because I didn't want the video to be hour long. So I may actually do that. Don't quote me. I might do it. I'm not sure yet. But it will still be easy, and I have several different videos on the channel showing you how to add slip pockets and zipper pockets to bags. So you can always check out those videos if you wanted to add extra features like pockets on this bag. So this is the denim one. Like I said, it's nice and roomy, has plenty of room in it. I also made one in this black and white canvas fabric, right? And I used a black and white cotton cloth as the lining, and I used it for the drawstring and the strap as well. But this one, very roomy again, very quick sew. This one with the canvas weight fabric for a more sturdy bag. If I use the canvas weight again, I may actually use a fusible fleece to give it just a little bit more sturdiness to the bag, because I have plastic bags in here now, so that's what's making it poke out like it's poking out. But I probably wouldn't carry this with a lot of stuff in it. It's sewn well, but I don't think the bag is sturdy enough. But if it was something where you were just kind of throwing your wallet in, maybe your keys. But this is a really cute bag. It would actually make a really nice gift bag with this canvas weight fabric. Like I said, if I wanted to carry it as an actual purse, I probably would use fusible fleece instead of using the mid to heavyweight interfacing that I use for this. All right. And because I'm always creating something, I created a mini bucket bag pattern, just using the same concept as in the larger bag, just a little mini bucket bag. And I made a pattern for a mini bucket bag several months ago, and I made it in a faux leather, but I never really finished it because I was still learning how to put in eyelets and grommets. So I didn't finish the bag, but I actually still have it sitting in my room. But anyway, I took a picture of the pattern, and then I drew out the pattern again with the measurements, and I made this really cute small little bucket bag. Okay, so it's really cute. These will be awesome gifts as well. Like I said, they're both very easy to sew, and this one I use the mid to heavyweight interfacing, which is fine, but again, if it's something that you would want to carry all the time, not just as a cute accessory going out one night, you may want to use fusible fleece for it, just to make it a little bit sturdier. And as promised, I told you I would show you the Falcons Backpack made out of the fleece fabric. I made one out of the other Falcons fabric as well. I'll show you a picture because my mom is carrying it right now and it's not here. So I'll pop a picture up for you to see the one in the black, white, and red fleece fabric. I'll show you a picture of that. Alright, this one is made from the plaid fleece Falcons fabric. It's very nice. I love this backpack. This is the Everyday Backpack by Bagstock Patterns. I've made several different backpacks using that pattern. I made Black Panther. I made one out of camouflage print. I made another one, but I can't think of what it is right now. But anyway, I'm going to make one out of Braves fabric for my nephew and his wife. As a little diaper bag to carry with them because they love the Braves. But anyway, this one, the Falcons one, I love, love, love this with the Falcons plaid fleece fabric. I adore it. I absolutely love it. I love the other one too. I didn't think I was gonna like the other one as much as I do, but I like that one. I love that one as well. But if you haven't seen the Everyday Backpack, it has a back zipper, has a flap with a magnetic snap closure. It has a slip pocket and a zip pocket. I know you probably can't see in that, but it has a slip pocket and a zip pocket on the inside, and it has the bottom. And I put the Atlanta Falcons. I made sure the bottom had the Atlanta Falcons on it. Right, so that's everything that I made this week. Let me know what you think. If you've made the Everyday Backpack pattern, let me know in the comments and I'll go check out your page or your blog to see them. Let me know if you've made the little coin purse wallet by So Sweetness. And also, don't forget to check out my video on how to make an easy bucket bag. I'll link that in the description box below. And I'll see you again next week for the weekly recap.